Were you good today? Were you kind? Here's something I want to show you.
She's writing Ava!
Here's something I have to show you. Look at me. So, you know Boo has the AI automation agency, Elanix AI, helping businesses save time, money, and avoid the headache?
Yes!
Well, look what I have to show you. Are you ready? Look on the TV.
You're the best brother! I just remember.
So as you guys can see, I was able to buy my sister Minecraft with some of the funds that I've made from Elanix AI, and I just wanted to share this to kind of give a wholesome, a very genuine vibe of the other side of business, right? On this channel, I've been talking a lot about how to save time, money, and avoid the headache with AI automations. But I just wanted to give you a glimpse into the other side of it and the beauty of business and what it allows you to do for your loved ones. So yeah, I mean, a month ago I looked at her and I said, hey, I want to get a Minecraft. I want to surprise her. She keeps talking about Minecraft. And I mean, thanks to you guys and everybody that has been reaching out, trying to build projects together. And we've just been having the ultimate win-win situation. So like I said, I hope this video, I hope it helps, or I hope it makes your day a little better. It certainly did for mine. I appreciate all my clients and the client base. It's an awesome thing to see what we're building here with Elanix AI. So subscribe, and if you're interested in getting a system, social media, onboarding, lead generation, click the link below. Get started with us. 15-minute call. We'll have a look and see how we can help you. Other than that, I'm out, boys. See you in the next one.